Hey beach lovers, if you're looking to upgrade your beach setup and want the perfect chair to lounge in while catching some rays or enjoying the ocean breeze, you've come to the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 beach chairs that'll have you living your best beach life. From comfort to portability, we've got it all covered. Stick around till the end, because the best chair might surprise you. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Rio brand's 4-position backpack beach chair. This chair features a comfortable lace-up suspension design, which gives you just the right amount of flex to sink into and relax. You can adjust the backrest to 4 different positions, so whether you want to sit upright or lay back like you're sunbathing in paradise, it's got your back. And if you're someone who likes to pack light, the backpack-style straps make it super easy to carry, leaving you hands-free for all your beach snacks and toys. It's a solid pick, but it's more basic compared to some of the other chairs we'll get to. Coming in at number 4, we've got the portable beach chair for adults. This one's all about versatility. It reclines to multiple positions, so you can choose your comfort level based on whether you're chilling or catching a nap. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for those who need something easy to carry and store. The only downside? It lacks the added perks of a canopy or extra padding, which means you might not get the best support if you plan on lounging all day long. But for quick beach trips, it's a reliable choice. Now let's talk GCI Outdoor Waterside SunShade Beach Chair. If you're looking for some extra protection from the sun, this chair has a built-in canopy to keep your face and shoulders cool. It also has a reclining feature, so you can kick back in multiple positions. Plus, the backpack straps make it super easy to carry, perfect for those who like to bring all the beach essentials without worrying about extra baggage. While it doesn't recline flat like some of the others, the SunShade definitely sets it apart in terms of keeping you comfortable under that blazing sun. Next up, we have the heavy-duty beach chair for adults. This one is a solid option for those who need a little extra support. It's got a strong, durable frame and can hold more weight than most of its competitors. The chair sits at a comfortable height, so you won't feel like you're struggling to get up. And it has an ergonomic design to keep your back happy all day long. And let's not forget the backpack-style straps. No more lugging your chair around by hand. While it's incredibly sturdy and supportive, it doesn't quite have the same luxury features as the top pick, but it's definitely worth considering for those who want a reliable, heavy-duty chair. And here it is, folks, our top pick, the Bahama 5-position classic lay-flat folding backpack beach chair. This chair is the ultimate combination of comfort and functionality. With its 5 adjustable positions, you can easily go from sitting upright to laying completely flat for a full-on beach nap. The armrests are padded for extra comfort, and there's even a built-in cooler pouch, so your favorite drinks are always within reach. Plus, the backpack-style straps make it easy to carry, so you can focus on the fun, not the heavy lifting. If you're looking for the best of the best, this Bahama chair has everything you need for the ultimate beach experience. So there you have it, our top 5 beach chairs that'll have you relaxing in style. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome beach essentials. Until next time, enjoy the sand, surf, and sun. Stay comfy.